Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tie a hoodie just like this one right here around your waist. I'll be going over this simplistic tutorial with easy instructions. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to place my camera down just like this, and as you can see right here, I am wearing a hoodie. And if you want to tie it around your waist, it's really easy to do. I am an 80s baby. I grew up in the 90s, so hoodies around the waist was the thing to do. And honestly, I feel like it's coming back into trend. So I figured that I would do a tutorial on it. So very easy to do. What you're going to do is remove your hoodie. Now, your hoodie might be a pullover or it might be a zip up. I have a zip up right here. So I'm going to unzip it and I'm going to remove my hoodie, okay? And when you remove your hoodie and you want to tie it around your waist, you have a couple of options. Essentially, you can get your hoodie and you can leave your hood hanging off of the back. This will be the part that's exposed. So you can have your hoodie, the hood portion of your hoodie showing, I should say. Or what you can do is you can flip it onto the inside or the underside. So even if you have a pullover hoodie, you can take your hood and you can flip it onto the other side. So if you flip your hood onto the front of the hoodie, just like that, then it will be hidden, okay? And that's the way that I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip it onto the front, so it will be hidden just like that. So essentially what we're going to do now is I'm going to take the arms of the hoodie like this, okay? I'm going to grab the arms of the hoodie, and I'm going to make it a nice straight line. You don't want to have it all crumpled up, you know, everything showing off the top. You want to get a nice straight line across from the shoulder seam, as you can see right there. So these are the arms, and I get a nice straight line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around my back like this, okay? Get it nice and centered, give or take, around your back. Then you're going to take the sleeves of the hoodie. You're going to cross them over like this, and you're just going to tie a single overhand knot by bringing one sleeve, the sleeve that's on top, you're going to go and bring it like this over the other sleeve and then up through the gap. And then you can just tighten it like that. And there you go. You are now at a cool level 10, because like a level 10 cool, because now you've tied your hoodie around your waist. It looks fantastic. It's that simple. That is how to tie a hoodie around your waist. Easy instructions in this simplistic tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.